All right, hello everyone. Welcome to week 7. And in this video, I'll be introducing to you the various lesson materials and how those support the learning objectives, and also talking about the assessments. So trying to tie everything together in this week 7. So week 7 is looking mostly at ionic bonding, and it ends with a quiz. Well, I guess it actually ends with a discussion on ionic charges within compounds, but it ends with a quiz on ionic bonds. So in this week, in this module, we'll be looking at predicting how different elements or atoms gain or lose electrons to form ions um, based on their valence shell electrons and their positions on the periodic table. And we'll talk about electrostatic attractions between cations and anions forming ionic bonds. And then we'll also go over some ionic properties, I should say, ionic compound properties. Okay, so this is not as many instructions and activities as some weeks that we've had, but there's notes on ionic bonding, and then there's a couple of exercises here, forming ionic compounds and properties of ionic compounds. So each of these is looking at how ions form, and then once you have ions, how they can join together to form compounds. And once they've done that, what are some of the properties, and how can we explain these properties of these compounds based on what we know about Coulombic attraction between oppositely charged ions. So this is the second to last week of the course. As you can see, week 8 is the last week. And so week 8 is pretty content light. I think there's just one major topic in week 8. I guess same thing for this week, but it's less of a topic for week 8. So we're coming close to the end of the course, and I'll see you all on Zoom. Thanks, everyone.